In ancient Greek, there was a renowned philosopher named Diogenes who lived in the city of Athens. He was known for his unconventional lifestyle and his relentless quest for truth. Diogenes believed that wisdom and virtue were the highest goals a person could achieve. One evening, as the sun set and darkness enveloped the city, Diogenes lit a lantern and began walking through the bustling marketplace. People stared at him curiously, wondering what he was up to. A curious young man, intrigued by the sight, approached Diogenes and asked, "Master, why do you carry a lantern in broad daylight?" Diogenes stopped, held up the lantern, and replied, "I am searching for an honest man." The young man was puzzled. "But why do you need a lantern to find honesty? Surely it can be found easily in daylight." Diogenes smiled and said, "The light of the sun can only reveal the physical world, but the light of the lantern represents the search for truth within the human soul. Honesty and virtue are rare treasures, often hidden beneath layers of deception and pretense." As they walked together, Diogenes shared his wisdom with the young man. He spoke of the importance of living a life of integrity, where one's actions align with one's words. He emphasized that true wisdom is not merely knowing what is right, but having the courage to act upon it. They came across a wealthy merchant who was known for his dishonest dealings. Diogenes approached him with the lantern and said, "Does your wealth bring you happiness, or does it weigh upon your conscience?" The merchant scoffed, but Diogenes' words struck a chord. The young man observed the merchant's discomfort and realized that wealth and power often mask inner turmoil. Next, they encountered a poor beggar who shared his meager bread with a stray dog. Diogenes held up the lantern to the beggar and said, "You, who have so little, possess a heart rich in kindness and generosity." The young man saw the beggar's genuine smile and understood that true wealth lies in the virtues of the heart. As the night deepened, Diogenes and the young man returned to the philosopher's humble abode. Diogenes extinguished the lantern and said, "Remember, my friend, the search for truth and honesty is a lifelong journey. It requires the light of introspection, the courage to confront uncomfortable truths, and the wisdom to live in accordance with one's values." The young man thanked Diogenes and left, carrying the philosopher's teachings in his heart. He vowed to live a life of integrity, seeking truths and honesty in all his dealings. The story of Diogenes and his lantern spread throughout Athens, inspiring people to look within themselves and strive for a life of virtue. It became a timeless lesson, reminding generations that the light of truth shines brightest in the hearts of those who live with honesty and integrity.